Why them have so much cream? Alright, vanilla nutmeg, essential oil mist. I would definitely buy this. So that is now added to the bag. We want one more something, and I'm just going to add this body wash. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for the subscribers and for those who are watching, and I pray God bless you and all the best for 2026. And I love you all and thank you so much. So today's video we're gonna look at Bath and Body Works. This is my promotion here, so I'm showing you from my laptop rather. So we're going to go in. So basically, with Bath and Body Works, you can't just shop straight from Jamaica. You have to have a US account. No, having a US account, it's not something that is hard. You just need your shipping company in Jamaica to provide you with their address, and then you will use their address for your address. So it's not a lie. All right, you're shipping through them, and you're going to pay for that. Some charge out here in Jamaica $500. Yes, I found one, and some $600. That is per pound now. All right. So let's get into this one. Remember to like, share, subscribe for more, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Shop at here in Jamaica, and how do you save in these times? We got every maker muckle. Let's get into it. First and foremost, here. So I'm just gonna, alright, let me just open a new page for Bath and Body Works. They're supposed to know me like, I don't know what to say, alright? I'm using one hand hold the camera, but they know me. So you go on Google, you're going to type in Bath and Body Works, or you can always tap it from the engine. This is your original site. You see there? Always choose HTTPS. Yes, that is a secure. Believe you me. Alright? So you're going to click on that. As soon as it comes up, it's going to bring you to their page. I'm trying my best for you guys to see it. Alright, so they're saying what they said here. Sorry, we can't ship to Jamaica. Whatever. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so it said this is our US website. To shop your regional state, please. That look good in the background. Watch it fall. I'm so sorry. Distraction. Focus, girl. This is our US website. To shop your regional state, please select your location. And you'll see here. Focus, camera. Thank you, God. Select location. You're going to see select. And then can't find your location. You might be able to find a store near you. We have stores here in Jamaica that sells Bath and Body Works. But guess what? My daughter and I, we went on a hunt, and guess what? You're getting what for what? 3,000? That was a 5 up. I never know see them having the 4,000 bracket for one spray. No, it not gonna work. So come guys, let us look at this. So you're going to select the Jamaica not there. Alright? Jamaica not there. So we're going to go down to United States of America. You know, they are United States of America. No, you're not. But the shipping company will provide you with that information. So if you don't have a shipping company, you can definitely, let me just back out of here, and you can go on Google and you can search shipping company. Watch the word a while ago in Jamaica. And you can, to narrow the search, you see Kingston, Mobe, you can definitely put in, or you can say up top right here, affordable. You see it one come in. You can just put it in. It is very hard to use with your hands. Alright, so you have affordable shipping company. I can't bother with this, you actually have a shipping company named Affo. A lie. So now we see affordable shipping company. You can look on TikTok. You'll find people, Facebook, Instagram, and you can search as well. Why am I using my right hand to hold the camera and I'm right-handed? That is the issue. Anyways, so you can definitely find them, and you will see a lot of them here if you should go on map or use your phone with the map to say location. Now you can see a few of them here, and I don't know about these companies. I don't use them. But you have a lot of them out there who are very affordable. Now I use Ship Me. So Ship What is my, alright, no, I can't even move my hand because my hand is set up for this phone. So ship me, and you're going to click on that. So here is ship me again. Remember, you want to make sure that is the HTTPS. It means it's a secure site to go on. On ship me, they recently updated their website as well, and their location. I don't remember offhand, and it's on my phone, but they have an app that you can definitely download. So you're going to see something similar like this on your phone, and then you're going to see that sign that says ship me right there. Alright, so you're going to see get started, and you can definitely go ahead. So it says buy from your favorite US retailers and ship directly to Jamaica. Sign up once and ship again and again and again. And here there, and let me tell you something. If you have been out there and you shop with shipment, you have an issue, then let me know. But I had an issue once with them, and it was resolved, and I was amazed at how the speed they dealt with it. And as you can see, let's get out of that, escape. Now down here you'll see the logo, ship me newsletter. You can sign up and subscribe to their page to get started. You can definitely track in right here, and all you got to do, you're going to see is step 1, create a ship me account, and the sign up is for free. You're going to see the information on your left hand side. I don't know how you're going to see it, but you're going to see all the details, and it is very, very easy to go. And I don't want to say easy to go because to everyone is different, right? But as you select on sign up, you're going, the other page is going to come up. All you're going to put in is your first name, last name, email address, and re-enter your email address just for confirmation. The password that is best for you, don't save it to your devices. Never save a password to your device or devices. Always have it written down somewhere safe, and don't share it with anyone. You're going to re-enter your password again just for confirmation. I'm not going to use my thumb. I'm not into the biometrics at all. Date of birth, you have the calendar that you can click on. I'm not even editing that out, and then you can from there adjust. Now when you go down the bottom, you're going to see create a business account. You can always move the title to a business account, but it's not. Alright, so if that's a business account, put it back. And it says by clicking sign up, you acknowledge that you have read and agree to our terms and conditions. So you always want to see the terms and conditions, and it is right here. Yes guys, you need to read it so you know exactly. And their terms and condition, if you ship an order and it is best, they always say it's best to ship certain days and certain hours, because they will throw the package outside. Yes, ship me and them get it. Read it up. Take a day, eat your breakfast, eat your lunch, eat your dinner. Yeah man, learn, practice this, read the terms and condition. Yeah man, don't sign nothing until you read it over. And there you can get them at 1 Ripon Road, Kingston 5, and they also do delivery as well. So enough of this. I feel like it's a 2-in-1 video. Anyways, so that the information they're going to give you an address, right? You're going to come now and United States, and I'm going to ask you, so you just click stay in the United States. All right, look at that, just a moment. Woo. Anyways, so you can see here it says shop all sale. No, we don't definitely want that. We know exactly what we're going to look for. You have the search bar up here to your left. You can type what is it that you want. I'm just going to type gibberish, and you're going to see whatever fragrance. Nothing. All right, some things come up. You're going to definitely see choices here, and you see the price them. This is definitely what we don't want. All right, so we're going to look for sale. You have shop offers new gifts. So remember, we saw a sale on the main page. Now you have offers that you can definitely go to. The 75%, the $4.99 something. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. God bless you. All right, now so we see the sale down here. We're just going to scroll through to see what they have left. We're seeing here $4.99. Let's look at this fragrance. It is, let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see. a toast to you. This one smell really good, and toast also smell good. You have one named Toast. So we can get this for $4.99, and it was $18.95. We also have the Star, and the Star smell, I've used the Star before, and you can get the Star for the same $4. Now you see the difference? This one was $18.95 and this was $17.95. Now you have one over here, the eucalyptus pine. It was for $15.95 and it is now $4.99. You can also filter your selection just to narrow down what you're looking for. And if it did it, it did it. If it not did it, it not did it. Butterfly also smell good, and it's a body wash. Down here to see what else. Vanilla, I love vanilla. This is $15.95. You can get it for $4.99. And I'm going to put the site in the description. The eucalyptus, that work. I wonder if that's going to work if you have coal. Like, you know, you wrap yourself with a eucalyptus lotion. Anyways, the lavender. You see, the lavender is for how much? Then people know them I do. $19.95, and it's now $4.99. So, for example, we're just going to do a shop. I'm not shopping, all right? Me no have money. So, add to bag. When you add to bag, because I have an account with them, let me see, you know, we're going to go over just a wee more. And you're going to see, if you know how difficult this is, but doing it for you guys. So in the bag, it's in the bag. So it is in the bag, and I had something else in the bag. What? Alright, so you can also take stuff from out of the bag. I'm going to look in the bag. I don't want this. $4.99. It said view bag and checkout. No. So I have that one here. Let's get a body spray. You can load more products. So you're going to click on that to see if more will come up, and just waiting. Thank you so much for still being here. Thank you for all the subscription, the love, and the blessing. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Maybe you don't see the video yet where you like for subscribe to. Anyways, no pressure. Love and blessings, alright? So we could go on like we're going to buy something else. So what we are look for? Vanilla Noir. We are look for one body spray. For the man them, young lady, you can buy this for your husband or your dad. The beard oil. Not bad. $13.95 was for me. I get for $4.99. Me say I need a US job. Alright, vanilla nutmeg. Essential oil mist. I would definitely buy this. So that is now added to the bag. We want one more something, and I'm just going to add this body wash to the bag. And then we're going to go to checkout. So 3 things. Now the item is added. It said item added. So I'm going to go now to checkout. Click on it, and it's going to take me to this page. Let me just zoom out a bit. Now it take me to this page. It says here, shopping, purchase $84.93 more and receive free shipping 100, which I did say to you guys in the previous video. No, my love, $100 US, a whole heap of money in a Jamaican currency. No, me dear. So need it ASAP. No, me will wait. Me no want to expedite shipping. So right over here now we can see, look on the money what we are see of $19.95. We go check up $16.95 to $15.95. No, me have to go pause the video and check. Me definitely pause and go check. The total would have been $52.85. That would have been the total for those 3 something, you know. How much is? Me I go put that in a US currency. Anyways, on the screen for you guys. Alright, so now we are going to look at the total here. The total here, it says if you have a promotion code, you can definitely put it in there. And with Bath and Body Works, they do give those things out. When you continue buying, you get those stuff. All right, so it says ship it or pick it up at store. Nowhere shipping. And if you want to add it, you can definitely press the plus sign or take it off if you don't want it. Now over here, the merchandise subtotal, and here we go. The sales tax. Tax is estimated and will be calculated when your order is processed. All right. Order USD, so we're paying $24.16 for the three items, which would have been $52.85. Right now, this is where coming. You can say check out if you're paying by PayPal, or if you're going to buy Google Apple Pay. So we're going to go to check. Here you will have the ship, the first name, the last name, the shipping address at checkout, and it is showing us that the final total, the sale tax is $2.20, the estimated shipping standard is $6.99, and the merchandise, we paid the merchandise is for $14.97. So the three items, therefore, $14.97, but we pay for shipping and handling and also pay tax. So the order total comes to $24.16. If note on it, you definitely can do that. But because I have my shipping method, you have it, you can, the standard shipping is that amount, $6.99. So I'm going to plus the total, say $6.99, and the sale was what? Well, let me look back for the tax was $2.20. So I would have paid estimated at $62.04. So the estimation would have been $62.04 if I continue. So people grab. So let me know what you think about this video. So much for watching. If I've come to the end of this video, I appreciate you all. Thank you for your time and your patience, and thank you so much for following me on my journey here at Jazzy Beauty Studio and More. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment. You can say hi or tell me what other video, video suggestion, so I can come and of course share that with you. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I'm praying for you and your family as well. And be safe, and all the best for 2026. Blessings and love. Boom, bang, bang.